they love them again for you.
Oh yes. Welcome to another vlog. Hello, 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 hi.
Wait, no.
Oliver is here. He doesn't want to be on camera, guys. Not today. It's a new vlog. It's a new content day. We are currently in the car. Where are we?
East.
Hackney. We're in Hackney. We are heading to Mackay's Studioinaru. Gonna shoot some content there, so that should be good. We've got a photographer coming down, Tiffaniemersadesfilm. So hopefully you guys will meet and see her. And what else? Oh yeah, then we're going for lunch in Tower Hill. So I'll see you then. Okay guys, so made it here. Literally, it's the cutest studio ever. It's perfect. Wait till you see the pictures. Tiffany is here. I'm dressed in outfit number 1. I'm not completely done there. I need to put my heels on and all the rest of that, but very, very excited. Very excited to be shooting here with Tiffany. I feel like the pictures are gonna come out banging. So yeah, I will catch up with you guys along the way.
Quiet star, quiet star, quiet star, quiet star.
Okay, so we finished up with Tiffany. We've now got the rest of this next hour to shoot some more content. I'm gonna do a reel, which you guys will see on Instagram shortly, or maybe like in the next 2 weeks, knowing me. And yeah, and then we are off to lunch. So, see you at lunch.
There's nobody here. Look at how we are, and to think we are so perfect, we're in every way. I don't wanna feel everything that was meant to be faded. I don't wanna be your friend. I just wanna be your bed. I don't wanna fade away. Something helpless sinking into a dam. Yeah, 네 눈은 내가 있어. 아마는 널 사랑하고 있어. 그가 아는 순간 두려워.
Made it to Zizi's. Okay, so for those of you who haven't been to Zizi's, this right here, the garlic bread with mozzarella, caramelized onions, the bomb. And then I think I'm gonna get that and a cocktail. Going with apple spritz. Lovely, thank you. Ooh, nom nom nom.
Oh, sorry, I'm just tugging in. I didn't even take a photo.
Guys, look at this. I mean, Oliver's got lasagna. Oh, amazing. Guys, we're stuffed. I can't eat anymore. Cute. We are literally just sat here chilling at Zizi's. Should we go for a little walk?
Yeah, to part one.
It's such a nice day. Can't be wasted. That went by so fast.
Oh, did you catch it?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Guys, we've ended up in all bar one. How did this happen? How did this happen?
Let's more drinks.
Life is for living.
Until they lock you down again.
Oh. I'm getting a pina colada. What did you order?
A champagne colada.
A champagne colada. Yeah, we've got this table till like 5:30. So we're just gonna chill and have a drink. Although I'm still stuffed. Yeah, and then probably make our way back home. I will share some of the content photos that we took with Tiffany and some of the BTS shots at some point, either towards the end of the video or you guys will see what Instagram is. The day is done. Actually, it's not done. It's like 5:30, but we are done. We're back in the car. We're heading home. Very good Saturday out. Very great Saturday out. Done all the content. Had lunch. Had some drinks. Heading home. Job done. I will see you guys soon.